Storm Smart is committed to helping our communities rebuild and secure their homes for the future. And as we all come together during this time, they're offering a hurricane relief discount to provide greater peace of mind and protection for your home. Happy to welcome back Wally Glowacki, CRO of Storm Smart. It is good to see you again, Wally. How have you been?
Good seeing you. Doing well. Busy with the storm.
I mean, busy and just, it's heart-wrenching when you see so many people, so many of our neighbors affected this. But take us back even. Say people have not heard about Storm Smart. I mean, your roots have been here in Florida. You understand what this time of year is all about and what the people really need.
Yeah, absolutely. And first off, our hearts go out to all of those that have been impacted by the recent hurricanes and devastation. Storm Smart really is committed to our communities, our families, and making sure that people have the right protection for their home. Storm Smart's been around for almost 30 years servicing Florida, and we're one of the largest hurricane protection companies in Florida. So we provide a little bit different approach in that we're more consultative, making sure people have what they need for their homes so that they're prepared and can have a less stress in a very stressful time. What makes us different? Simple. We have a different philosophy, and we handle everything from our manufacturing all the way to the installation of our products. So we have a dedicated team really focused on hurricane protection.
That's exactly what I was going to bring up. I mean, I remember talking with you before, and it's literally, and we say this, often from start to finish. That describes you perfectly. Why is that so important? Why is that so crucial and something that customers should pay attention to?
Yeah, absolutely. It starts out front with our consultative approach to our sales. So each home type is different. We want to make sure you get the right product on your home. And from there, our installers are dedicated Storm Smart employees. So we can ensure that the quality that we expect is delivered for each and every home. And it doesn't stop into our installation. It goes all the way to after service and care. So we have a dedicated team of professionals ready to make sure that storm protection is ready to deploy at any time.
Well, and even too, I know we've talked in the past too about the warranty. I mean, it's a comprehensive one, isn't it?
Absolutely. So, all of our products have a limited lifetime warranty, and we have a dedicated team to service that warranty if something should go wrong. So it's really that peace of mind that we offer to people.
And I don't know about you, but just hearing the peace of mind, even like the hurricane prep, you're spending so much time looking, are we in the cone, are we not in the cone? And then you got to worry about moving furniture and all of the things that you have to do just to have that peace of mind, but also you're taking things off the honey-do list, aren't you?
That's right. Absolutely. Absolutely. So if you look at it, right, that taking the stress out of a stressful time, how much time do people spend moving their patio furniture inside their home in order to prepare for the hurricane when, using our storm catcher screens, you can simply roll that screen down and be protected for the storm.
I'm not going to lie, we were ones too that took stuff in, took stuff out, took stuff in, took stuff out. I know some families had to be with me on that, but I want to make sure too, speaking of families, though, you have a special offer just to show that you care. What is the special offer to be able to help Tampa Bay?
Absolutely. So we've enacted a hurricane recovery discount, and you can get up to 15% of our aluminum roll-down products, 10% off of our cordings or storm catcher screens, and then 5% off of select windows and doors.
Wally, I always appreciate when you come in and talk about this. Of course, we had the information on the screen. Come back soon. I, again, always enjoy our conversation. So thanks for helping Floridians right now.
I appreciate it. Thanks for having me.